Meteorology, Northern Territory has updated their severe weather warning for heavy rainfall. The warning remains in place for parts of the Barkly district. Tropical low bringing drenching rain to the eastern Barkly district. A slow-moving tropical low, 1003 millibars, was located over the northeast Barkly district near Brunette Downs at 4 a.m. local time. Active thunderstorms embedded in rain bands to the southeast of the tropical low. The low is expected to move slowly northeast and weaken slightly during today over the northeast Barkly district. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding expected over the eastern Barkly district during today. 1 to 3 hour rainfall totals of between 50 to 80 millimeters are possible with thunderstorms. Heavy rainfall will begin to ease over the district by this evening, and locations which may be affected include Avon Downs and Brunette Downs and another location. Flood watch remains in place for the Georgina Nicholson rivers. Catchment conditions are generally dry for low rainfall in the wet season to date, but received rainfall over the past week and it's increasing soil moisture in many areas. Rainfall totals of 50 to 100 millimeters have fallen through the flood watch area during the last 24 hours. That was updated yesterday morning, and the Bureau should update at 11 a.m. this morning. Now we have a look at the instability outlook for the next few hours. Bureau Meteorology here in Queensland continues to have in place a flood watch, and it's for the Gulf rivers, Upper Georgina, Upper Diamantina, Upper Thomson rivers catchment. A moderate flood warning remains in place for the Paru River. Moderate flood peak possible at Yulo early this week. Minor flood peak expected at Hungerford today. Storm probabilities. And what's going on in the capital city? Sydney, current temperature 25.4, 18.2 Melbourne, 26.1 Brisbane, 20.8 in Perth, 18.9, nearly 19 in Adelaide, 17.5 Adelaide, Hobart, 20.8 in Canberra, 28.2 in Darwin. Now we have a look at precipitation. It's the GFS. This is a significant bit of information. This is actually one or two that will be shown. The rainfall values are at the bottom of the screen, and this also has the pressure. And shortly we'll have a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level. Shower or two in Sydney, forecasted partly cloudy afternoon. Melbourne, possible shower here in Brisbane, sunny in Perth, cloud clearing. Adelaide, cloudy in Hobart, sunny, possible smoke again in Canberra. Shower or two possible, storm up there in Darwin. And the second lot of precipitation. This is actually a zoomed in picture, and you can clearly see what is likely, and we're still not sure what that tropical low is going to do, whether it's going to track into the Gulf of Carpentaria, and if it does, the game perhaps changes. Now we have a look at the Bureau's 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall. And whilst this is a developing scene, Bureau Meteorology has issued a initial minor flood warning for the upper Flinders River and flood warning for the Nicholson, Gregory and Leichhardt rivers. Minor flooding is likely at Richmond, Manual on the upper Flinders River during Sunday morning, following likely heavy rainfall over the last few days. We will continue to bring the latest information. We still have the tropical system over there in the Samoan region. This is a GFS precipitation model. Information bottom of the screen. And again, what does one say about the massive area in yellow?
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force 13. You're probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force 13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force 13. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.force13.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/Force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TREN, extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.